Friends, hope you guys are doing well. Now you can do your health checkup, entire body checkup from your home, staying at your home at a very marginal and cheap cost. So I had the recent experience, so I'll share it with you. It is very easy, very convenient. If you're staying in any of the metro city, you can do it. So let me take you through my experience, and I'll talk about how it is, how you can utilize it. So there are many, but Apollo 24/7 is very good and very convenient to use. आप वो install करने के बाद you can do your registrations. Then in the coming back to the lab test and health checkup, you can book it for as low as 199 से start होता है. और बेसिक हेल्थ चेकअप से लेके आपका सारा हेल्थ चेकअप, फुल बॉडी चेकअप, वुमेंस हेल्थ का भी है, फीवर का अलग से, कॉम्बो वगैरह भी है जिसमें आपको बजटेड रहता है, डायबिटीज़ का सेपरेट है. सो ऑल दैट इज़ देयर अवेलेबल विद द प्राइसेस एंड इट इज़ अ फ्री सैम्पल. दे कम एंड टेक इट. सो इट इज़ hassle free. Staying at home you can do it. As many as 31 type of health checkups are there. You can put your report, you can call and book the this thing, and you can upload your prescription. For example, if it is a fever or something, you want to do your blood test and all, you can explore a lot of packages. You can take insurance also. They provide Apollo health insurance also. With that, there it will be added in the package itself. So आप देख सकते हैं इतने सारे प्राइसेस वगैरह एंड डिटेल्स वगैरह. आप अपने हिसाब से कस्टमाइज़ भी कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू डू नॉट नीड एनी टेस्ट, यू कैन रिमूव इट, ऐड इट. तो वेरी सिंपल है. जैसे आप नॉर्मली बुक करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं, ऑर्डर कुछ करते हैं, वैसे ही ऐड करना है पैकेज एंड यू प्लेस एन ऑर्डर, मेक द पेमेंट एंड इट इज़ डन. विद इन you'll get a call and the technician, lab technician will come. So हमने बुक कर दिया था. So it was hassle free. ऑर्डर करने के तुरंत बाद technician was assigned, and next day morning the date was slot we had given. So उसी slot पे technician had arrived without any delay. They had given us a call also prior to that. Told us कि क्या procedure है, क्या follow करना है in terms of food, drinking, eating, fasting. So पूरा on time home sample collections है. 100% रिपोर्ट करेक्टनेस का गारंटी देते हैं. लॉट ऑफ ट्रस्टेड लैब्स एंड डॉक्टर्स आर रिकमेंडिंग दिस. ISO कंप्लाइंट है भी ये चीज़. टेक्नीशियंस जो हैं वेल ट्रेंड हैं, काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं. सो इट वाज वेरी हैसल फ्री कलेक्शन प्रोसेस. As I was told that latest machines and equipments are used, fully automated state of art labs are also in work. Quality checks always happening. So बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव चीज़ें हैं. क्वालिटी कंप्लायंस भी बहुत अच्छा है इनका. So that's why I like the process and well recognized also Apollo. And it is very well managed, starting from the booking to confirming the slots and picking up the samples and report generation. So it was all relaxed and hassle free. Blood test ho चाहे, and they're very professional is what I found out. So overall experience मेरा बहुत अच्छा रहा है. Whatever the details I can share, I'll share it with you, with how you can do and what are the packages you can take. All those things I'll mention in the description. So I'll be happy to answer if you have any questions. So take care. Bye bye.